With DAXRM Rank Tracker, you can perform real-time keyword rank tracking and SERP analysis. You can track keyword performance on Google and Bing across multiple devices and over any location. In this video, we're going to go through how to add Rank Tracker to an account, add keywords and competitors, perform real-time rank tracking, use the Rank Tracker dashboard, delete keywords, and change your rank tracking frequency. All DAXRM subscriptions come with 50 free keywords that you can perform full SERP analysis on. You can upgrade your keyword limit at any time by selecting your keyword package from the drop-down. Here, you can also see your keyword limit, as well as usage and remaining and renewal date. Let's get started with how to add the Rank Tracker to an account. First, navigate to Account in the sidebar and select an account. This will take you to the account dashboard. Click on the Rank Tracker tab in the toolbar. To start setting up Rank Tracker, click on the plus icon, add in the full domain address, set the tracking frequency, and hit Save. Please note that with the free Rank Tracker add-on, you can only set the frequency to manual. To schedule automatic tracking, you need to upgrade your keyword add-on package. Now that we've added Rank Tracker to your account, let's have a look at how to add keywords and competitors. Starting from the Rank Tracker dashboard, click the plus icon on the right of the screen. Input a domain name or a page URL and the location, then click the search icon. This will provide you with a list of keyword suggestions. You can select from this list or input your own keywords. Once you have selected your keywords, select the search engine, choose your devices, desktop, tablet, or mobile, and then search and add the locations you want to track the rankings across. You can set the location at the country, city, suburb, or at postcode level. Click Save for now. You can also hit Save and Track Keywords to check rankings straight away. Now, let's look at adding some competitors. First, click the settings icon on the right hand of the screen. Fill in the competitor's business name and domain. You can add up to 3 competitors. Once you've inputted your competitors, you can click on the Competition tab to compare how your keywords are ranking against your competitors. With your keywords and competitors added, you're ready to check the rankings. On the Rank Tracker dashboard, click the Real-Time SERP button. Once the tracking is done, you will receive an email notification and an in-app notification. Email notifications for Rank Tracker activity are switched on by default. You can turn them off from the Notifications tab in your profile. With everything set up and working, let's get to know the Rank Tracker dashboard. This list shows all your keywords and their ranking positions. You can filter keywords by device, location, search engine, and variation date, or search for keywords using the search box. The top section provides an overview of your total keywords, followed by top-ranking keywords in a range, and their movement based on the variation date selected. To download the keyword report, simply click the download icon on the right-hand side of the screen. By clicking on a keyword, you can access the SERP analysis for that selected keyword. This shows the current rank and volatility over your selected time period. You can change the time period by clicking on the date range in the top right corner and clicking Apply to view the ranking volatility across this period. Below the SERP analysis graph, you will find a list of the top 50 ranking positions for the chosen keyword with your client's position highlighted. Now, let's have a look at the competition dashboard. Here you can see not only the rankings and variation for your keywords, but also the rankings for your competitor's position and variation. You can also download the competitor analysis report by clicking the download icon. If you need to delete a keyword, simply tick the box to the left of the keyword, then click the red delete icon. Please note, deleting a keyword will remove all previous SERP analysis data associated with that keyword. If you want to change the frequency with which your rank tracking is carried out, go to Settings on the Rank Tracker dashboard. Double-click on the frequency and select from the time periods in the drop-down list. You can also set when you want the SERP check to happen within these periods. Go to Settings in the sidebar and click on Rank Tracker. Here you can set the frequency required based on weekly or monthly. That brings us to the end of our DAXRM Rank Tracker video. For more information, please refer to our Help Center.